I'm coming for you, Juliet.
Climb the bushes, Romeo.
Just wait a moment.
Climb the bushes.
I have some business.
Climb the bushes.
Just wait!
Climb the bushes. Romeo?
All done. Okay.
Oh, Romeo.
Why you want me to do, man?
Climb the bushes.
I'll do it for you.
Okay.
The storage retard!
Shut up, Romeo. Just climb the beam. Okay? God, it's a freaking hassle with you. Come on.
Can't!
Suck it up, Romeo. Stop being a wuss. Romeo, you little wuss. Climb the pole. Climb it.
Dirty.
What?
Did you forget something?
What?
Come on, like seriously. You expect me to climb this pole. You're retarded.
Romeo, I do not like when you talk to me like that.
Whatever. We're through, man.
Romeo! Romeo! Oh crap, Romeo! Romeo! Goodbye, Romeo. Oh, Romeo's dead.